Hello, lovely people. We are out and about. Come hang out with us for a few days. I'm going to show you some things that Munchkin and I have been getting into while we have been here in Florida. Now, when was the last time you went to the movies? I tell you, this teenager is not, well, I can't say she's not the digital baby because she absolutely is. She is absolutely attached to her screen. However, she will be the one to pull you out of your house and say, let's go do something. So far we've been bowling and now we're doing the movies. And let's see what else we get up into in this vlog. So make sure you follow along, see what else we get into. I said that already, bye. Her first little Victoria's Secret. That used to be a big thing back in my day. I don't know. Walk in the mall. Something else that is ancient, but this one loves to walk the mall, bruh. So we're walking the mall. Our movie doesn't start for another 2 hours, so I'm trying to find one thing and then we're gonna go eat because I'm not paying these movie prices for no damn nachos and popcorn. We'll see. Look who is defining her style in Forever 21. Got a handful of skirts. We have not seen you in a skirt in a while. Can't wait to see the outfits. Look at these bath mats, guys. I'm like, oh Marley, look. Bath mats for your room. Meanwhile, I'm kind of like, ooh, Hello Kitty. I want them. Ooh, tall for knee high, that's your problem. Guys, I made the ultimate movie mistake. I completely forgot to bring a big purse so we could smuggle our snacks in. How could I forget that? We definitely snuggle snacks in our shopping bags, of course. Anyway, here are two of the outfits that Munchkin picked out for herself, all by herself. What do you think of her style coming together, guys? Of course, I'm not sure how this going to go in Jamaica because this look kind of hot with the boots and the leggings. Anyways, we ended up at the library a few days later. Don't ask me why, but I haven't been inside a library in like decades. Tell me the last time you guys stepped foot inside of a library. This one, I'm not quite sure if she's ever been in a library, so that was kind of cool for her to see and check out. It's a pretty big library as well from what I remember from back in the day, my little prep school libraries and going to the library in Kingston. So they had a wide selection of some, anime stuff, so that's what she was looking for. And it had a few different sections. You could, come here to work. They had like workstations. They had a children's area for the kiddos. So this was pretty cool to see. Got our business done really quickly and headed on out there, but I really loved this. And then I'll bring you some clips from the day we went bowling as well. I didn't bowl. I have on nails. I was just sitting pretty, but... Right. No, what was it? What that? What?
That was an accident.
Girl!
Next time.
Right.
I did it. I was on an ad.
Girl. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try to hit some balls, some pins this time. Oh, it curved back. Oh, you hit something. It is better. Right, like a little spin ball. So yeah, like I said, I was just playing bowling bingo apparently while they were on the lanes and checking out the place. This is a bowling alley in the mall. It was pretty cute. It was given like a Dave and Buster's vibe. So something else new that we did for the Christmas, Munchkin and I have never built a gingerbread house before. So we spent a little bit of time putting this together. Let me tell you something. I beer sugar this, and I don't know if we'll ever be doing this again. But it was a fun experience, I guess. It was something that I said we never done before, but it was a lot of sugar. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. What? Jaja, what is happening? I don't. Okay, so we have only one Mickey standing. The culprit could not even wait. Child, she was eating while we were building. It was a hot mess that night. But anyways, later on that very same night, she insisted on opening Christmas gifts. So here she just got a Hello Kitty bag and she got a pair of Hello Kitty sneakers as well to go with her bag. And let me tell you something. She was so concerned that she would not get Christmas gifts this year because, you know, we're kind of in like a halfway house. Is the joke I like to give. And she was like, oh, I know you're saving money for when we go back to Jamaica. So that's why the gifts are in plastic bags, because this is actually on Christmas Eve, guys. So I did not get to wrap all of her gifts, but she insisted. So yeah. So she got, these are Beetlejuice sneakers, I think. So yeah, I'm always going to take care of my baby girl no matter where we are and what's going on. Christmas is Christmas. Christmas is for the kids. So she was so happy because she got all the gifts. Of course, this is just 2 or 3 of the gifts that she received that night. So I just wanted to share a little bit of what our Christmas was like here in Florida. She still got showered with a bunch of things. Moving right along. Wait, hold on. Let me see if our foot can go down in the Beetlejuice sneakers. You know what? I'm actually happy that both of us wear the same size. Because I want to take a wear off of them. They're kind of cute. Anyways, a couple days later, we went up to Orlando to spend some time with her godfather who lives in Orlando. There he is, Uncle Ryan and Auntie Tiffy. So here we are at Disney Springs, somewhere I have never been before. And, you know, it was a holiday, so it was jam-packed. And we were just kind of walking around and taking in the sights and the sounds. And then we decided to make cookies. Munchkin found a recipe for s'mores cookies online. Hi guys, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. That's what it is right now. Munchkin and I are making s'mores cookies to round out the fatness, the big batness of the season, because I just watched the recipe of the full video that we're following for this recipe, and I was like, it's not enough to just make chocolate chip cookies. We have to add more chocolate, marshmallow, whole heap of things are going in another video, in another recipe here. And I'm just like, I feel my back just expand more than how it expand these past couple weeks. So this is our last hurrah. So join us as we make s'mores cookies together. Say something, girl.
Together.
Why did you choose this recipe to make?
I didn't.
If you send it to me.
Right. It looked yummy.
So.
And I like marshmallows.
Marshmallows are one of her favoritist things in the world. And this is our last marshmallow for now. Let's see what we have going on in the kitchen. The first thing that you have to do is brown butter. From the little bit of times that I have made cookies, I know that browned butter makes everything more caramelized and just even more yummy. So we're waiting on this butter to brown up so we can put everything else together. So we're starting to get there. It's kind of not yellowy anymore. Soon come back. Come girl, that wants some more elbow grease. Let me see a mix. Cream that sugar and that butter together. You see? Both I can mix.
Oh wow, so we're really just winging this.
All of this is going on, and then the cookie dough goes on top of it.
Oh, I gotta work quick.
No?
Yeah, it's melting in my hand. It's falling
Oh.
apart. Oh no. Oh gosh.
Yeah, I think that's good. Like, don't try to like make it perfect.
You want to race again?
Because if it's
You want to come help make cookies?
come make a cookie.
I'm making cookies. I don't know if she's gonna make cookies, you know.
Oh. So here are the final results of the cookies, guys. S'mores cookies. So you saw all of the big badness that was actually happening. It wasn't enough to just make chocolate chip cookies, but we put that over marshmallows, chocolate, and graham crackers. So, I think I baked them for just a little bit too long because they came out on the crispier side instead of the chewier side. That did not affect the taste, though. Let's get into it.
Break. Let's see if we get the pole. Wait. Break.
We're gonna say yeah, but the other one is in there.
That was very anticlimactic. Break your piece again. Let me see.
No, Monica and I drank it.
All right, that's a little better.
It's nice in the sorrow, by the way.
Okay, let me try this piece over here. It's good?
Yes.
Is it really?
No, it does not.
Yeah, Pitney, was anything good? Let me try.
Rihanna. You say you cute?
I didn't get much marshmallow in this piece, but it's nice and crispy. I love a crispy cookie. It's very good flavor. You taste the brown butter in? It's like a toffee flavor. You brown the butter first. This is good by me.
I also cooked one of my favorite meals while I was there, my pot roast. Oh my god, it was beautiful. It was delicious. I'm so happy it came out nicely for them. They enjoyed that meal. And then we went to the Orlando Eye. Where are we going? On the Eye. We're going up there.
Start again. I don't know why I'm drinking a
didn't
frozen
have it at all.
drink in 60-degree weather, and I'm about to be trapped in the sky for about 30 minutes. We'll see if it works.
You'll be fine. You have friends.
I guess friends were supposed to keep me warm in 60-degree weather. Listen, that's freezing to this island, girls. So I don't know why I thought buying frozen cocktails were the best idea for the Orlando Eye. I've been on the Eye before, but it was about maybe 10 years ago. So I was so excited to bring Munchkin up into the sky in this giant Ferris wheel. And this time around, you could connect your phone to the Bluetooth inside of the little pod thing. So I'm jamming out to my music here. That's me just kind of in the sky dancing. Munchkin, on the other hand, I kind of forgot how much she was afraid of heights. So she was kind of just sitting here for the majority of the time, stuck to the thing in the middle. Poor thing. But this was a fun little outing just to be able to go up and see the views. And you know, we had our frozen cocktail, we were jamming out to the music. It was really cool. It was a nice experience if you're ever in Orlando or anywhere where they have these big Ferris wheels that go high up. You should definitely go check it out because the views are stunning and the vibes is nice. They had a few other rides in the vicinity of the area. Look at this swing. Do you see how high up? Like, I want you to pay close attention. Do you see how high up them there? A swing in a chair? Like, you could not pay me. I have been on one of those things on a little fairgrounds in Mexico before. I was terrified, and we were maybe 6 feet off the ground. So I cannot do 60 feet. Hell no. But yeah, kudos to them. Look at that. I need to be a little bit closer to ground, please. Yeah, we were all the way up here. We were high up and just, you know, by this time, Munchkin, I had gotten her to come take pictures with me and stuff. So we were really enjoying. This is one of the photos that we took. And this is a photo of that photo. So the next day, Munchkin went to play tennis with her uncle and his friend. Here's how that went. This is me being cute while they... I'm just here for the looks. I'm just here for the looks and to be cute while they burn the calories and do the fitness thing.
Girl.
Okay, okay. It took a little while for Munchkin to get back in her tennis groove, but in prep school, so a few years ago, she was actually very good at tennis. She's won a few trophies for her school and things like that. So I'm gonna give her grace and allow her to like warm up and get back into it. But tennis is something that I would really love if she got back into. So it's high on my list for us to get back into tennis for her when we get back settled, because I just think it is such a great way to burn some calories, to get the hand-eye coordination and all the ways, all the fitness, all the things. So I kind of like this for her. I really want her to get back into tennis. So I really appreciated her godfather taking the time out to bring her to the courts so that they could get, some games in. I had fun on the sidelines watching them try to get it up in a. I really had fun watching her trying to get the ball across, because it yeah. It took some time for her, but she eventually got into it. And as I said, I was really happy that they got to spend this time together to bond and to burn some calories. So anyway, we made our way back down to South Florida, where we went to our first Vietnamese spot and had pho for the first time. Let's get into it. This is the pho place that we went to. Here is what the menu is looking like. They had a lot of options. This place is in Pembroke Pines area. Yeah, they had a lot of options, and I had to ask the server to give us some recommendations because I was kind of lost, and this is what she picked out, and that's what we got. We started with this shrimp starter here. Crispy Brussels.
I love Brussels sprouts.
Me too. This one over here doesn't like it.
How do you not Brussels sprouts? That's like saying I like it.
Yeah, so here's my pho with the eye round and the brisket and all the toppings that are supposed to go in it. Munchkin ordered a chicken pho, which is, ugh. It wasn't bad. I guess I see the appeal, but let me tell you something. You see this Jamaican girl here? Give me my chicken soup, my pumpkin soup. Yeah, man. I even tried this dessert, and I was the only one who actually enjoyed it. So, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll go back and try again. We will see. But then we went to Hobby Lobby. This is some place that Munchkin and I, again, as people who are not in the US very often, we've never been here. And so I can definitely see how you can spend hours and hours and money in a place like this. It was really cute to go down the aisles and just kind of see all of the nothingness, but the everything else, the everythingness that was there. It was just like a maze of just stuff. Like, this is definitely the part of America where you're just like, this is all just stuff. Like, I don't need any of these things, but I want, like, especially when I went down this aisle and saw all the jewelry things, and then I was like, oh yeah, I'll make my own It was just walipa, baka, as we say in Jamaica, it was baka, like just stuff. It was crazy. In this game aisle here, I could definitely see me spending some money. I love a good like board game, or I love to host games night at my house. But again, it was just like stuff I don't need, but sure, let's buy some things. Hobby Lobby is just like, it reminds me of a place to go spend some money. Anyways, on this final little journey that I'm going to take y'all on, we went to the Yellow Green Farmers Market. And this was a very fun experience as well. So let's get into it. So I've been to the farmers market before in Jamaica and in Mexico. So I knew what to expect pretty much. I think the difference with this one here in Florida is, it had the influence of all the people that live here. So there were so many different types of Spanish restaurants to choose from. That was a little bit interesting to see, because like this place here, it is a Bolivian kitchen. And wait, do they speak Spanish in Bolivia? I don't even know. Like, that is one of the countries in South America I don't really know much about. So that was interesting to see. I didn't actually try anything from there. There were Peruvian kitchens, there were Argentina, Colombia, lots and lots of course, Mexican food. I think I saw Bahamian restaurants and a couple of Jamaican spots, Dominican places. But yeah, a lot of Spanish influence here in Florida, of course. There were all the shops that you would normally see in a farmer's market, and then there was this random barber shop there, of course. Like, sure, okay. And then there were many, many, many crystal places and herbal shops, and I was just like, I'm a crystal girly, but that was kind of, it was overwhelming to see so many of them there. All the things that you would normally see. These shops that sell the boho clothes, I would spend hours in just going through those racks. I am a boho girly. I love those. And then, of course, 500 different juice bars and places to get plants and things like that. See, another little boho clothes shop. That blouse right there, so yeah, man, the blouse did that call my name. I tell you, I am a boho at heart. I am just a hippie princess. So yeah, we walked around and we were trying to decide what to get to eat first. Another thing about the farmers market here in Florida, it's a good thing to remember if you're ever gonna check out a farmers market, that it does not mean cheap. It means you're getting fresh produce, hopefully directly from the source, from the people who grow it. But let me tell you something, it's not cheap. Like, we stopped at this, what is this? A stand that sells dried fruit and nuts, and it's the cheapest thing there. It started at $10. Like, everything, let's just put that out there. Everything starts at $10. So here they have the dry. I wanted to get some, what is that? Australian ginger? Like, is somebody from Australia who's been to America, you tell me if the ginger from Australia different. Like, am I paying for the fact that it is exotic? Yeah, man. So all of the dried fruit and everything right here, so everything starts at $10 for one little drop. So we're going there and me go. There were a lot of bars around as well. That was interesting to see at the farmers market. You could just pull up and have a seat at the bar and have yourself a margarita or a cocktail of some kind. So I stopped here to get a juice. I got a carrot, beetroot, and orange juice. And of course, that was $12. It was just like, oh my God, y'all are killing me with these prices. But then I had to remind myself that I was in big foreign, and with big foreign comes big money. But my juice was nice. I liked it. Anytime I see beetroot being on offer, I'm gonna get it because beetroot helps with my iron, Yeah, man. So made it nice with my little juice, and we were walking around here trying to decide where to eat. So we decided to get some barbecue. So that's what we did. We're walking back outside to go get barbecue here, and I passed this little bar that had a baby shower being set up at the bar. All right, sure, why not? Do your thing. So we went out to get barbecue from this Spanish place here, and it was really, really good. But let me tell you something. They did not have brisket, so I ended up just getting, I think it was beef shank. I don't even know what the different cuts them name. But we saw another little barbecue shop across the place that had brisket, and the bread was Jamaican, so that was a red flag, and the brisket never tastes good. We Jamaica, we don't know nothing about no barbecue and no smoking. Let's leave it alone. But $10 cup of coconut water, I was so like, coconut water for $10 in Florida? Come on, guys. And then Munchkin went and got a mangonada, something that she loved from Mexico.
Got a block of ice right here. No, I drink it.
That's spicy. Like, a little bit. It's like a little,
Take a sip from the straw thing.
never had
I
it.
don't think you can sip. Nothing's coming out?
Yeah, it's a mango and chamoy based drink that was clearly frozen, so she had to wait a while to enjoy that. But that was some of the things that we got into so far here in South Florida. Thank you so much for coming along on this journey with us. As you can see, a pure food me get into so far. So if you have any more suggestions on things that we should check out while we're here, please let me know. If you made it this far into the vlog, thank you so much Please leave the suggestions, as I said, in the comments below, and I will see you in our next vlog. This is Monique from Kingston checking out.